Sasa with Lehigh Defense. We have our 85 grain Extreme Penetrator 380 out of the Glock 42. .85 grain Extreme Penetrator through the Taurus. .85 grain Extreme Penetrator through the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard.
Yeah, made it. Hi, I'm Josh with Lehigh Defense, and we are testing our 85 grain Extreme Penetrator round out of a Glock 42. Now we're going to test the 85 grain Extreme Penetrator out of a Taurus 380. And lastly, we are going to test fire the 85 grain Extreme Penetrator round out of an M&P Bodyguard. That's it. No failures through all three guns. www.lehighDefense.com.